Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am gonna review the most favorite device of this summer. I'm talking about this portable neck fan by JISULIFE. So this is so very cool. You're supposed to wear it this side, like you just simply wear it onto your neck, and it is adjustable, so you can open it and you can close it, like, you know, you can adjust it like the way works for you. And then you have a little button right here. Just simply push it once and it starts working. And it is providing you with a cooling, like cold wind into your head everywhere. The wind feels amazing. Listen how quiet this one is, by the way. It's not gonna annoy you by any mean. It's quiet, it's compact, it's lightweight, and oh my God, guys, just check how fashionable and stylish this device is. It's like a true accessory that I will be very happy to match an outfit with this neck fan by JISULIFE. You have a wheel right here, and you can take the speed down or up. That's gonna be the highest speed possible, and that will be the lowest speed possible. So there are 100 different speeds that you can choose from, 1 to 100 basically. There is an LED display right here. You just simply start the button. There is no need to do any long pushes or whatever, just one click and it's on, one click and it's off. And you can see here all the different speeds. It's all gonna be shown here on the LED display. It's easy to remember which side you should wear it, so this side should go down. Also, you have marks on the neck fan as well that says left, right. It comes with this silicone supporting like pads for your neck, which they are made of a cooling silicone material. So these are cooling you down as well, and they are just feels nice on the skin. So guys, let me tell you more about this one. Let's get started.
Guys, this is one of the most exciting products of this summer. This is JISULIFE Neck Fan Pro1. This is definitely a high-speed ice cooling sensation out there. This is so very cool. It can cool you down anywhere you are going. You have a LED screen display which displays you the power and the speed of the fan, and you can go with the stepless knob on the side of the fan. Anywhere from 1 to 100 different speeds settings. Yes, it is having 100 speed settings. Isn't it so very cool? So this is the most favorite thing and the most like must have of this summer, because oh my gosh, guys, we are in North Carolina. I would never expect the summer to be so hot here. It's literally like every day 100 degrees out there, like by Fahrenheit, of course. So it's so hot, like it's impossible to go out. And now I'm having a newborn and I have to go take my newborn out for walks, and I was just dying. So I was looking for a good device to save the day for me, and I just found it. This one is so very affordable. Be so very sure to check out the links. Now, I never saying the prices because it's simply pointless, since today the price is 100 and tomorrow they have a promotion and the price is 50 or 40, and the next day they've decided to raise the price, so the price is not 100 anymore, it's 120. You know what I'm saying? So to know the current price, you should go click the link down below in my description box and see the current price. Plus, be so very sure to notice all the coupon codes and all the promotions and discounts information that I'm gonna leave you as well at the description box down below to this video of mine. So be so very sure to check this one out. So back to the JISULIFE Neck Fan Pro1. This is a hurricane technology personalized wind power, and it is adjustable to any way that you would like it to go. It's a healthy wind. This comes with 4 air ducts to supply air in different areas, and it have the soft wind feeling that feels so very good. It just feels like you're in like, you know, in like a cooling down cloud. It just feels so very good, especially in a very hot summer day out there. It comes with a super great battery life. The battery is a 5000 milliampere industry leading power distribution type of a battery, and it's gonna work for 16 long-term hours per one charge. 16 hours. That's basically enough for, I don't know, like 4 days of using. You know what I'm saying? Like if you're hiking, if you're going on a camping, if you are just simply walking or running out there, this device is a must have. If you're doing any type of a working out there or home, it doesn't matter. This is gonna save your life. It's gonna cover your back and save your life, definitely for sure. By the way, if you are working out home and the air conditioning isn't enough for you, just simply put this one on you and it's gonna help you a lot. It's definitely stylish, so very fashionable. It's like a fashion accessory and a very lightweight. It only weighs 322 grams. This is ultra light and there is no burden. It comes in 3 vibrant colors, which are they're so very cute. I've got mine in the moonlight color, but there are also a deep ocean available, which this is like a deep gorgeous blue color, as well as the sakura color available, which this is a vibrant pudra pink color. It works on the turbo wind gathering technology, which means that this is gonna provide you with a 360 degrees of surrounding cool air. With the 4 air ducts outlets for zone-based air supply, the outer side is equipped with a wall-mounted high-speed pressurized intake, which is even doubling the intake speed of the air. The inner side has a dual turbochargers for strong suction, and as a result of all these, JISULIFE neck fan providing a cool and refreshing sensation for our daily life. It comes with the cooling silicone neck pillows. There are 2 of them and they are flexible. They are soft and cool silicone material, which provides a refreshing touch while ensuring a comfort for your body and eliminating the annoyance of any type of sticky sweat on the skin while you are wearing these. They are flexible, so they are basically moving with you. Guys, this is definitely a leading device in the industry, and the cool touch, the fashion, the style, and the way it looks like and the way how it improves your life in a hot summer day, it's definitely everything that you need. Be so very sure to check this one out. I will leave you all of the links down below in the description box.
I am definitely a huge fan of this neck fan from JISULIFE. It's comfortable, it's such a lightweight, it will easily fit your purse, your bag. So if you are going anywhere, camping, hiking, to the beach, on a boat, I don't know, whenever, anywhere you are going, simply going to your work, you just simply put this one on and it is gonna suit you so very perfect. It's gonna cool you down and it feels great and it does the job in just such a fantastic way. As well as indoors, if the AC isn't enough for you, if you are working out and obviously you don't want to freeze the house and you're working out home, simply put this one on and it's gonna help you with the cooling down routine. Best for the gym because you don't really feel it like on your body. You just put it on and forget about it. Stylish, gorgeous, fashionable. Love this one so very much. Be so very sure to check this one out. I will leave you down below in the description box any type of promotions, coupon codes, sales, deals, and so very on. So be so very sure to check it all out. Guys, that was actually all. I truly hope that you are excited about this device the same way that I do. I truly hope it was helpful and I truly hope that this device is gonna save your day the way it saved mine. So that was actually all for today, guys. You know what to do. Subscribe, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.